So hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Wallpaper Engine not showing wallpaper. So let's start. Now for the first step, go to the Windows taskbar, right click, after that go to Task Manager. Now go to the search, type in Steam. After that make sure to select every task right here, right click, after that select End Task. Now once you ensure that Steam stopped working, go open the Steam launcher and then go to Library. After that go to Collections. Now go to the Wallpaper Engine application. I will use this as an example. Go to this gear icon. After that go to Properties. Now go to Installed Files and make sure you select or click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Just wait for the process to finish. That way it will be verifying the availability of the right files and no corrupted or missing file is present. You just need to wait for the process to finish. For the next step, go to the Windows search bar, search for NVIDIA app. Once it opens, go to drivers in the left menu and make sure you download and install the latest driver available right here. Click on install and then select continue to initiate the installation process. For the last step, go to the taskbar again. After that go to Task Manager. Now in the search, type in Windows Explorer. Now once you find it, right click. After that select restart and that's it. If you find it helpful, make sure you like and subscribe and see you on the next one.